Hello, I'm Grace Quantock and I'm delighted to read to you from my essay Gone to Abergavenny in An Open Door, new travel writing in an anthology published by Parthian. Gone to Abergavenny is from the Selkie Papers, my work in progress, which was shortlisted for the Nan Shepherd Prize in 2021. Gone to Abergavenny. In Abergavenny, in the old asylum grounds, I sit in my sea-green wheelchair under a copse of chestnut trees so tall they probably stood on this slope when the asylum was in its heyday, in the 1850s. Old growth trees surround what's left of the asylum walls, or where the walls used to stand. It smells green here. The lawns are mossy underfoot, the rough grass still wet. The lawns here are hard for my wheelchair, but it's flat enough that I can still bump over. The paths are stone rolled to dust, my favourite surface, because it's accessible but still has the texture of dirt when I roll over it. As a wheelchair user, I'm very attuned to the textures of the ground. I have to think about it all the time. I'm closer to it, I rely on it, and if I miscalculate, I may end up on it. I'm connected to path materials in a way many ambulatory visitors may not be, unless they too have to calculate their movements and how to get safely from one space to another. Often we think of access and adaptations as being smooth, tarmac, paving stones. Yet while it's thrilling to soar over polished expanses like marble in a silky glide that reminds me of running, it still doesn't feel like being outside. Outside to me is earth, soil, mud, the huff of leaf mould under a boot, cushioned pine needles, and the tang of sap in forestry plantations. I have to balance the sensory experience of these spaces with what makes it possible for me to access them in the first place. Thank you.